In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sell Bitcoin on Coinbase step by step using the spot trading feature. This is perfect for beginners and anyone who wants a simple, clear walkthrough without confusion. Whether you're cashing out profits or just converting your Bitcoin to another currency, this method is safe, fast, and easy to follow. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy crypto tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Coinbase and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in to the account that holds your Bitcoin balance. Once you're inside the Coinbase dashboard, look for the option labeled Spot and click on it. The spot market is where you can directly buy and sell cryptocurrencies at current market prices. After clicking on Spot, you'll need to choose your trading pair. In this example, I'm choosing BTC USDT, which means you'll be selling Bitcoin in exchange for USDT. You can select a different pair if you prefer, such as BTC USD, depending on what's available in your region and what you want to receive after selling. Once you've selected your pair, click on Sell. This will open the Sell Order screen. Here, you'll see your available Bitcoin balance. Keep in mind, you need to have BTC in your portfolio to sell. If you don't already have Bitcoin, you'll need to either transfer it into Coinbase from another wallet or buy Bitcoin first before you can proceed. Now choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. You can enter a specific amount of BTC or choose a percentage of your total balance, depending on what Coinbase allows in your interface. Double-check the amount to make sure it's correct, especially if you're selling a large portion of your holdings. After selecting the amount, click on Preview. This step is important because it shows you all the details of the transaction, including the price, fees, and the amount you'll receive after the sale. Take a moment to review everything carefully. If all the details look correct, go ahead and click Sell to confirm the transaction. Coinbase will process your order, and once it's completed, your Bitcoin will be sold and your account will be credited with the selected currency. And that's it. You've successfully sold Bitcoin on Coinbase using the spot market. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step crypto guides made simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.